Theta value equivalent to $0.6481 a coin. The present reach: $0.6389, $0.6652. The earlier day close: $0.6513. The change was 0.0032, 0.49%. Converse rate: United States dollars to Theta. Theta value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Theta cost forecast for October 2023. In the first place, cost at $0.65. Greatest cost 80 cents, least cost 56 cents. The normal for the month 68 cents. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 72 cents, change for October 10.8%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for November 2023. To start with, cost at $0.72. Greatest cost 86 cents, least cost 60 cents. The normal for the month 75 cents. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 80 cents, change for November 11.1%. Theta cost expectation for December 2023. Before all else, cost at $0.80. Most extreme cost 90 cents, least cost 78 cents. The normal for the month 83 cents. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 84 cents, change for December 5.0%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for January 2024. Initially cost at $0.84. Most extreme cost 84 cents, least cost 66 cents. The normal for the month 76 cents. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 71 cents, change for January 15.5%. Theta cost expectation for February 2024. In the first place, cost at $0.71. Greatest cost 81 cents, least cost 71 cents. The normal for the month 75 cents. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 76 cents, change for February 7.0%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for WOC 2024. First and foremost, cost at $0.76. Greatest cost 76 cents, least cost 62 cents. The normal for the month 70 cents. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 67 cents, change for spring 11.8%. Theta cost expectation for April 2024. At the outset, cost at $0.67. Most extreme cost 67 cents, least cost 53 cents. The normal for the month 61 cents. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 57 cents, change for April 14.9%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for May 2024. At the outset, cost at $0.57. Most extreme cost 58 cents, least cost 50 cents. The normal for the month 55 cents. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 54 cents, change for May 5.3%. Theta cost expectation for June 2024. First and foremost, cost at $0.54. Greatest cost 54 cents, least cost 47 cents. The normal for the month 51 cents. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 50 cents, change for June 7.4%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for July 2024. At the outset, cost at $0.50. Most extreme cost 59 cents, least cost 50 cents. The normal for the month 54 cents. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 55 cents, change for July 10.0%. Theta cost expectation for August 2024. To start with, cost at $0.55. Greatest cost 68 cents, least cost 55 cents. The normal for the month 61 cents. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 64 cents, change for August 16.4%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for September 2024. In the first place, cost at $0.64. Greatest cost 64 cents, least cost 50 cents. The normal for the month 58 cents. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 54 cents, change for September 15.6%. Theta cost expectation for October 2024. Initially cost at $0.54. Most extreme cost 54 cents, least cost 42 cents. The normal for the month 49 cents. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 45 cents, change for October 16.7%. Theta cost expectation for December 2025. In the first place, cost at $0.28. Greatest cost 28 cents, least cost 22 cents. The normal for the month 26 cents. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 24 cents, change for December 14.3%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for January 2026. Initially cost at $0.24. Most extreme cost 28 cents, least cost 24 cents. The normal for the month 26 cents. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 26 cents, change for January 8.3%. Theta cost expectation for February 2026. At the outset cost at $0.26. Most extreme cost 26 cents, least cost 21 cents. The normal for the month 24 cents. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 23 cents, change for February 11.5%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for WAC 2026. Before all else cost at $0.23. Most extreme cost 24 cents, least cost 20 cents. The normal for the month 22 cents. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 22 cents, change for spring 4.3%. Theta cost expectation for April 2026. Initially cost at $0.22. Most extreme cost 22 cents, least cost 20 cents. The normal for the month 21 cents. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 21 cents, change for April 4.5%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for May 2026. At the outset cost at $0.21. Most extreme cost 26 cents, least cost 21 cents. The normal for the month 23 cents. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 24 cents, change for May 14.3%. Theta cost expectation for June 2026. First and foremost cost at $0.24. Greatest cost 30 cents, least cost 24 cents. The normal for the month 27 cents. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 28 cents, change for June 16.7%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for July 2026. At the outset cost at $0.28. Most extreme cost 34 cents, least cost 28 cents. The normal for the month 31 cents. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 32 cents, change for July 14.3%. Theta cost expectation for August 2026. First and foremost cost at $0.32. Greatest cost 32 cents, least cost 28 cents. The normal for the month 31 cents. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 30 cents, change for August 6.3%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for September 2026. To start with cost at $0.30. Greatest cost 33 cents, least cost 29 cents. The normal for the month 31 cents. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 31 cents, change for September 3.3%. Theta cost expectation for October 2026. First and foremost cost at $0.3